Greetings, I am Shubhadev Chakma. I am excited to apply for the MGS Group Management Training Program. I am a motivated and adaptable individuals who enjoys solving problems, working with people and taking on new challenges. During my time at the University of Rajshahi, I progressed from a junior member to the president of Rajshahi University Mothering Nations Association. This journey taught me that leadership is earned through dedication, consistency, hard work, and team management. As president, I led diverse teams, coordinated successful events, and managed responsibilities under pressure, and worked closely with people who are from different backgrounds. These experiences strengthen my leadership, communication, decision making, and I believe it is very essential for a management training. What motives made me to join MGS Group is its reputation for innovation, operational excellence, and developing future leaders. I am excited the opportunity to gain explore to different business functions. Over the next 3 years, my goal is to build a strong business management expertise and become dependable leaders who consistently delivers results. The unique value I will bring to MGS Group is my ability to learn quickly, adapt to change, and maintain a strong work ethic. Thank you.